To use PayPal on a computer, start by going to the PayPal website and logging into your account. If you do not have a PayPal account, click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to create one. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you are logged in, you can navigate to the top of the page where you will see several tabs, including Send and Request Money, Pay and Get Paid, and more. To send money, click on the Send and Request Money tab and enter the recipient's email address or phone number. You can also add a message to the payment if you want to. Next, enter the amount you want to send and select the payment method you want to use. You can use a credit or debit card, or your PayPal balance. Review the payment details to make sure everything is correct, and then click the Send Money button. To receive money, give the sender your email address associated with your PayPal account. When someone sends you money, you will receive an email notification. You can then log into your account and click on the payment to accept it. The money will be added to your PayPal balance, and you can then transfer it to your bank account if you want to. To link a bank account or credit card to your PayPal account, click on the Wallet tab and follow the prompts. You will need to provide some information about your bank account or credit card, such as the account number and routing number. It is a good idea to keep your PayPal account information up to date and to monitor your account activity regularly. You can also set up notifications to alert you to any suspicious activity. Additionally, make sure to only use PayPal on a secure computer and to never give out your account information to anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can use PayPal safely and securely on your computer. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and to monitor your account activity regularly to help prevent any potential issues.